With Barcode 400, designing labels is easy. To add text to a label, click the text button and add the data that we would like to place on the label, say part number. This is static data, but this data could be a variable, meaning the data could come from a file or be keyed in by a user at print time. We can choose a font and font size, and there are other properties we can affect like the rotation, justification, etc., but we'll go ahead and put our part number on the label. We can also add text multiple lines at a time by clicking the multi-line text button. Multi-line text is similar to our standard text tool, except you can add multiple lines at a time. Let's add our ship-to company name, address, city, state, and zip. Multi-line text is great for grouped chunks of data, like the address, but also for lists of data, like you might see on a packing list, and other documents. Now let's add a barcode to the label by clicking the barcode button. The Barcode Properties window displays all the properties available for a barcode. Let's barcode our part number. We'll use the code 128 barcode here, but we have the option to use any of the popular barcodes available today, and we'll place the barcode on the label. In addition to the traditional linear barcodes we just discussed, we can also utilize two-dimensional or 2D barcodes by clicking the 2D barcode button. And let's select the QR code. 2D barcodes are becoming more and more popular, and 2D barcodes can encode much more data than a traditional barcode. Of the many uses for 2D barcodes, one is to encode a URL or web address. As you can see, I'm encoding the address of our tlashford.com homepage. We'll place the QR code on the label, and if you have a smartphone handy with the barcode reader app on it, you can pause the video and scan the 2D barcode right from the screen. It'll take you to our website. Of course, we can draw lines and rectangles on our format, and we can also add graphics. We'll click the Add Graphic button to select a graphic. Graphics are centrally located on the IBMI, and the images can be easily imported into the software. We'll select the fastener image here and place it on the label. In addition to graphics, if you're going to print to HP and compatible printers, it's easy to import an overlay which can be used as sort of a base form for your format, like this bill of lading. The overlay is used as the base upon which the format will be designed. So, we add text and barcodes to complete the bill of lading. Check out the video on using overlays for a more detailed demonstration of how this feature will benefit you. So, when our new label format is saved, it's stored directly to your IBMI. And since it's centrally located on your IBMI, it's immediately available to be printed by anyone connected to your IBMI. As you can see, Barcode 400 offers a great deal of functionality for designing label formats, and yet designing formats with Barcode 400 is simple and easy.